Hey guys, I'm Andrea Rueda.
I'm Chris Ortiz.
And I'm Joseph Martinez.
And these two are gonna get glam and glow skincare routine for men. Are you excited?
Kind of, yeah. Yeah.
We are going to start with cleaning your face. Now, a lot of times when guys think I'm gonna clean my face, it's gonna be like soap and everything,
Yeah.
but we have these cute little wipes. Now, the wipes are super fun. This one is scented with eucalyptus. It's going to wake you up. I love eucalyptus. It's like such a nice smell. So let's get started. You can grab one and you can see
I did too.
the dirt that comes out. Maybe
in
try
there.
not to
Oh, I'm
do the
getting
eyes
in
too
there.
much.
I can't see.
Go like
I mean, there's a little bit of tint. There's
Let's see
it's
how
a
dirty
brown
you are.
tint.
You guys
Wow,
are pretty
I am clean.
I am so impressed.
Me too.
I want to get that dirt.
Wow.
I feel refreshed.
These are called the refreshed eucalyptus.
So this is the white part, and there's like a little bit of just like darkness there.
Yeah.
No
yeah.
darkness here. I'm a clean boy, ladies.
So from 1 to 10, how easy was that?
That was pretty easy, yeah.
Yeah, right?
I got an eyelash.
There's an
The whole
eyelash
beard
right there.
came out.
It says face and body.
Yeah, so like
So
for
you can
the
put it on the
Yeah.
for like a
underarm
little
area.
After you clean your face from all the dirt,
Got it.
Pollution, oils,
Yeah.
or whatever, we are going to do a little hydrating mask. Now choose your flavor.
Ooh.
This is gonna hydrate your skin.
Yeah.
This is going to moisturize. This is going to clean your pores. You guys both have combination skin. Combination skin is like you have some parts that are oily and some parts that are dry.
No.
1, 2,
I'm just
3.
Here we go.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
It's moist.
It's very moist.
It does smell like strawberries.
It's so moist.
Ah!
This is a
It's
moist
so
boy.
goopy. Wait, which it doesn't matter what side I put it
No,
on?
it does
Nope.
not matter.
So we just line up with the face.
So line up with your face. Go like that.
I have
It's a
big
little
nose.
cold.
Yeah, I know, it feels good. You know,
Yeah, here
cold
we go.
is a thing. Cold therapy is a thing. It will
feels
wake you
good.
up. It helps with anxiety if you play
my
with
God.
temperatures. All right, now you relax.
So relaxed. That's a lot. Dude, this really feels good. Like,
Right?
holy crap.
Drag it down to your neck. And then massage. You can massage cleaning the dishes.
Oh, I'm so goopy.
Do I still look sexy?
Now, what's cool about some masks is that you don't have to wash it after. So just go ahead and peel it off.
It's making noises.
And look at that glow.
We have to massage it ourselves?
Yeah, just make it even.
I feel pretty moist.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nice.
¿Y esto qué?
Okay, so I knew you were gonna ask about this. These are lip masks. Have you seen these before?
I've never seen
I've never
I
even
mean-
heard of it before.
a lip mask.
I've never heard of a lip mask.
Yes.
This is so cool. I'm
You are going to
excited.
place this lip mask over your lips. Now, what you have over here is collagen and rose flower extract.
What an
I
expert.
want to feel so silly.
Ugh.
I can taste it.
Oh, what,
Taste it.
what does it taste like?
Don't taste it. It's not. Don't taste it. Ah.
Yeah, there you go.
That's good. Yeah.
All right, so now that 20 minutes has passed, we're going to remove our kissable hydrogel lip mask. So now, how do you feel? Do you feel different from before?
Oh yeah.
I feel a
Yes?
lot different. Yeah.
I feel like
So
more
shiny.
confident, you know? Like
Yes!
Yeah, it
Thank
feels
you guys
shiny.
for watching. This is Andrea.
I'm your boy Chris Ortiz.
And Joseph Martinez.
Hasta la próxima.